Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung is preparing to announce the new Galaxy S26 series of 2026 smartphones, and according to industry sources, the key changes in the upcoming Ultra version will be related to the display. The new Galaxy S26 Ultra may feature two display technologies, aimed at improving image quality and usability in everyday situations. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung has been one of the largest mobile display manufacturers for many years, so its new models increasingly shift their focus from basic specifications to practical applications. The new S26 Ultra is expected to focus on screen readability and display protection. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature two display enhancements that improve screen readability and data security during everyday use. One of the new features could be the so-called privacy display. This technology limits viewing angles, ensuring that the image remains clear only when looking directly at the screen. When viewed from the side, the content becomes less visible. Unlike removable screen protectors, the built-in solution should not reduce brightness or distort color reproduction. Privacy display is expected to be software controlled. Users will be able to enable it manually or configure automatic activation for specific apps, including banking services, email clients, and messaging apps. This approach could improve privacy protection when using a smartphone in public places. The second display element will be Gorilla Armor protective glass. This technology has already been used in previous generations of Samsung's Ultra flagship devices and, according to available information, will be retained in the new model. The glass boasts increased resistance to scratches and mechanical impacts. Special attention has been paid to Gorilla Armor's anti-reflective properties. The coating reduces light reflection, making it easier to use the smartphone outdoors and in bright light. This ensures that the screen remains readable without the need to increase the brightness. There's currently no confirmation that similar display solutions will appear in other Galaxy S26 models. Both technologies are expected to be available only in the Ultra version. The official presentation of the series is scheduled for the second half of February. According to preliminary information, the event may take place on February 25th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.